Hey, Chris here from Permasystems. Just wanted to show you the more or less finished sliding glass door here on the shipping container. You can see things have been coming along nicely here. I'll talk more about some other things in another video, but for the sliding glass door, like I said in other videos, we just did a wood frame, really simple to install and put together on this shipping container. Right, just cutting off the end, and it works super smooth and great. Love everything about it. And again, yeah, just use this frame as I talk about in another video. Got pressure treated 4x4 here up against some 2x4 frames. I just used two 2x4s and then ripped a little smaller piece of 2x4 here just to match the width just about exactly, so it fit in really nice. And I did, I think, the same thing on the other side, more or less, or I think it was just two 2x4s on the other side, and then I just did this ripped piece here. I wouldn't have done that twice. And see the header there, did a nice beefy header to make sure the whole thing is good and strong. And then for the outside, I just had some old plywood, stuck it on there, screwed it in, caulked it up real good around all the edges with some really good caulk, painted it. Luckily had some matching paint. And then probably down the road, do some trim around there, make it look a little nicer. But for now, it's great. And painted down there, caulked it all. So yeah, simple, smooth, easy. Works really well. We're super happy with this method. And yeah, like I said, it was the easiest way I could figure out how to do it. And yeah, very happy with it. Thanks.